Welcome again to all the viewers of this young instructor with 25 most important GK questions. So if you like it, then please like and share to your friends and also subscribe our channel for getting notification of my daily upcoming video. So without wasting time, we should start the topic. And the first question is the first Indian player to take a hat trick in Test cricket. Its correct answer is option number A, Harbhajan Singh. Harbhajan Singh is an Indian player to take a hat trick in Test cricket. Next question is in which year did India win the World Cup for the first time in cricket? In 1983, India win the first World Cup in cricket. Question number 3. Which player makes the first double century in ODI cricket? Its correct answer is option number B, Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar makes the first double century in ODI cricket. Question number 4. Who is the first Indian batsman to score a triple century in Test cricket? Option number A. Viren Sehwag is the first Indian batsman to score 300 in Test cricket. Which country is known as the birthright of a cricket game? It's very simple question. England. England is a country which is known as the birthright of a cricket game. Next one is which cricket is known as Rawalpindi Express? Shoaib Akhtar. Shoaib Akhtar is a cricketer or a player who is known as Rawalpindi Express. Next one is rocket works on the principle of. So protection of momentum. Rocket works on the principle of protection of momentum. Next one is remedy is used for the prevention of defects. Convex lens. Option number C, convex lens. Next one is myopia, nearsightedness is corrected by using. So first you should know that myopia. Myopia is a disease in which a person can see nearby object but can't see far object, and it can be corrected by using concave lens. Option number D. 10 number question is non-metals are the helper of electricity. Why? So non-metals are the helper of the electricity because they are not free electrons. What energy is found in dry cell? Chemical energy is energy which is found in dry cell. Who is the inventor of gravitational force? Option B, Newton. Newton is a scientist who is the inventor of gravitational force. Next question is question number 13. Who discovered the television? Its correct answer is option number C, John Logie Baird, J.L. Baird. Next question is what energy is used in the key clock? Potential energy. Option number B is energy which is used in key clock. Which of the following has no kinetic energy? Drewbo. Drewbo has no kinetic energy. What force does it take to remove cream from milk? Option number A, autocentral force is used to remove cream from milk. Next question is how much of the Earth's gravitational force is closer to the gravity of the moon? Its correct answer is option number C, 1/6. 18 is raindrop is spherical due to. Its correct answer is option number A, surface tension. Raindrop is spherical due to surface tension. Next question is who has compiled the rule of motion of the planets? Kepler. Its correct answer is option number B. Kepler has compiled the rule of motion of the planets. 20 number question is who proved that Earth and other planets revolve around the sun? Its correct answer is option number C, Copernicus. Copernicus proved that Earth and other planets revolve around the sun. What is the frequency of sound waves in the audio compound? Option number A, 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz is the frequency of sound waves in the audio compound. The filament of the bulb is made of which element? Its correct answer is option number D. Tungsten is an element which is used to make filament of the bulb. Next one is electric motor works on the principle of. So Faraday law is a law in which electric motor works. What is the pH of blood? The full form of pH is potential of hydrogen or power of hydrogen. And the pH of blood is 7.4. Next and last question is, what is the normal blood pressure of human body? Its correct answer is option number C, 120/80. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, then please like and share to your friends, and also subscribe our channel for getting notification. And for more videos, you should move to playlist. जय हिंद, जय भारत.